So in addition to browsing the ebooks and the audiobooks, you can also click on the Databases tab to find some databases that give access to other kinds of additional audiobooks and ebooks. So if you click Databases, you'll see direct access to some of the other AEA databases. So for example, BookFlix and down at the bottom, TrueFlix are great resources for picture books, and TrueFlix is great for lower level texts that are nonfiction, but they've got a lot of great information in them. So if you open up TrueFlix, that's a great one for science and social studies content. You can see a lot of features. So for example, if you wanted to look at continents, this would be a great companion to the ninth grade global history class. Each book is going to have different features with it. So you can start right away and it's going to kind of lead you through it. Watch a video to get you started. You can read the book, and I think it has a read aloud feature to it as well. And the read along is off, but you can turn it on. You can always get back to the table of contents, and when you click probably doesn't read until
Snapshot of a continent. Africa is a place of diverse landscapes, peoples, and
so you see it will read aloud to you, and you can close out of that book, and there are also other things related to the book that you might find useful. There's a lesson plan, which could be great for teachers. Excuse me. You see over here there's the Explore More, where it's going to suggest other related articles that might be useful. There's a project idea. So each TrueFlix book has a lot of materials related to it. Okay, so that's BookFlix is kind of the fiction version of this, and I guess it has nonfiction also, but it's a little bit lower level. And then TrueFlix is just nonfiction. And we also have access to StarWalk Kids Media, which are additional ebooks that could be useful. And then I also want to show you Tales to Go, which is another audiobook collection. Now, unlike the audiobooks the in the MackinVIA section right here for audiobooks, you can only stream these. You cannot download them. But it could be a very useful thing for students who have streaming capabilities or for using them at school. It opens up here and you can look at different topics or titles. I like to go to the search here, and I actually prefer using the advanced search right here. And I just like to narrow it by a genre and an age. So if I was looking for a particular something, maybe I want let's see, historical fiction for young adults. And that's all I'm going to put in there, and then I'm going to search that here. And the offerings are not super high for our grade level. We don't have a ton of possibilities, but there are definitely some very appealing titles that could be useful. Okay, so that is Tales to Go. And yeah, those are the offerings in the database tab.